Hello, fellow foodies, and welcome to another segment of Island Girl Foods TV. And if you like what you see, please remember to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you'll be up to date every week as I download healthy, wonderful recipes. So, today we are in the Dominican Republic, folks, with one of my favorite casserole dish. It's called pastonal de plátanos maduros. And all that means is basically a ripe plantain casserole. Now, we all know that every Caribbean home should always have plantains. Today, we'll be using overripe plantains. So if you see the plantains with the really dark black spots or black skin, dark yellow skin, those are the ones we need. Don't throw those away. This is a wonderful layered casserole with plantains and of course some delicious lean beef. It has to be lean. You can have some fun if you like ground turkey or ground lamb, I suppose, and also make this wonderful dish. So I have my mojito ready. Guys, if you're ready, let's go. My Dominican friends prefer to use overripe plantains, and you would simply just cut off both ends, slide your knife down the center, and peel the skin away from the plantain. Cut in half and then slice in half again. You will need 8 ripe plantains for this dish. 2 tablespoons of butter and a half cup of 35% heavy cream. Fill a 6-quart pot halfway up with water, bring it up to a boil and add in your salt, about a teaspoon or 2. Add your slices of plantains. You're going to turn the heat up to bring it up to a boil and then lower to a simmering boil. Drain the water and discard. Put your plantains in a bowl, start to mash. Add the butter, mash again, and add the heavy cream. Continue to mash until the consistency is smooth and creamy. Now, for our Cubanelle peppers, you want to cut off both ends and peel away the seeds. Slice thin slices and dice. This pepper is smoky, tangy, and not a lot of heat. For our beef mixture, dice 1 large carrot, a half white onion diced as well, 1 Cubanelle pepper diced or Anaheim pepper, a half cup of pimentos diced, half cup of this wonderful Epis seasoning. You may find the recipe for Dominican Epis below. 1 tablespoon of garlic mince, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1½ cup of tomato sauce, a 1/4 cup of red wine, 2 tablespoons of RAQUEL'S sensational seasoning salt, and 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, 2 pounds of lean ground beef, and we have 2 cups of shredded mozzarella as well as 2 cups of shredded Parmigiano Reggiano with 2 tablespoons of parsley. Place your large skillet over medium-high heat, add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, your carrots, and saute for approximately 3 minutes. Add your onions and saute for approximately a minute until translucent. Then add your peppers, you're going to add your pimentos.
continue to stir and saute for another minute. Add your minced garlic, tomato paste, and stir. Now you're going to add all of your lean ground beef, making sure to break up the pieces with your spoon as you stir, and cook until your beef is done. Add your wine. Cook for approximately 2 minutes. Add your tomato sauce and stir to mix well. Going in with your oregano and your seasoning salt to taste. Cover with the lid slightly ajar and continue to cook for 5 minutes. For our cheese, add to a bowl with your parsley and mix. Set aside. Grease a 13 by 9 inch baking dish with butter using your pastry brush. Separate your plantains into 3 parts. Spread the first layer over the butter, then top with cheese. Add your beef mixture and repeat again by spreading your plantains over the beef. Topping with cheese again. Beef goes on again for the last layer. Top with the rest of your plantain mixture and cheese again to cover. Place in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for approximately 30 minutes.
And now we have it, folks. Another moment of truth going in. Guys, you have got to try this. During this time of self-isolation, I want to encourage you all to make healthy, wholesome, delicious meals. Share with your family and friends. We should take this time to get to really know each other again, as our busy lives usually keep us so consumed that we don't get time to break bread. And, I saw a very interesting, wonderful, uplifting post today, posted by my stylist, Marcy. Hi, Marcy, from Melanie Lyne, that keep me looking good for these shows. So thank you guys for your sponsorship. But the post said, things that we cannot control and things that we could control. And we all can control having a positive attitude during this time and an outlook on life. We can control following CDC requirements and staying healthy and safe, as well as social distancing and so on. So guys, until the next time, this is your island girl, Chef Raquel Fox, saying, be safe and well. Cheers.